Hi everyone, it's Jeff from Avada here. In this video I will take a look at how to use the Avada Woo Featured Products slider element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. The Woo Featured Products slider element is one of many Woo design elements you will find in Avada Builder if you have WooCommerce installed. To use this element, there has to be featured products set in the WooCommerce backend. To do this, head to your products area from the WordPress dashboard, and in the featured column, click on the star on any product you want to be featured and therefore part of the slider. Here you can see I have 5 featured products. I'm on the campaign pre-built here, and let's add the featured product slider element to the home page. I've made a container down the page a bit, so let's add the element here. There is only one panel of options with this element, and it starts with the picture size. Here you can choose fixed for images with fixed height and width, Woo single for the shop page image size, or auto for full image size. I'll just select auto. Categories is the next option, and here you can choose specific categories if you want the slider only to display certain featured products, or you can leave it blank to display all your featured products. Number of products controls the number of products on display. It's on 10 here, but I only have 5, so in this case it doesn't really matter as they are all on display. Product offset is next, and with this you can omit a number of products in the same way you can with the blog or postcard element. I'll leave this on 0 so again all products are displayed. Order by comes next, and you can choose from a variety of ways to order your products here. In this case I'll just leave it on date. You can also set the order to descending or ascending. After this there is an option to include out of stock products. In most cases you'd probably want to exclude those. The next option is carousel layout, and here you can choose from title on rollover or title below image. Currently it's on title on rollover, which looks like this. Title below image looks like this, but I think I will stick with title on rollover. Carousel autoplay is next, and it's turned off by default, which suits this situation just fine. Maximum columns has a default of 5, but as there are 5 featured products in this case it's not acting as a slider. If I just change this to 4, we get navigation arrows. The column spacing option below is set to 10 pixels, and here I might just increase that to 15. Scroll items is the next option, and this is empty, which means it will scroll the visible set. I prefer it to only scroll one item at a time, so I will put 1 here. Then there are a bunch of layout options. Show navigation can be set to yes or no, mouse scroll can be enabled or not, you can show the category under the product name, you can show the price or not, and you can show the sale badge and buttons on rollover or not. Lots of customization options here. I might just turn the sales badge on as one of these products is on sale. Under these options is a margin option, which is for the element as a whole, and then the final options are the usual element visibility option for controlling whether it displays on various screen sizes, and the CSS class and CSS ID options for adding custom CSS. Okay, if we just save this and come to the front end, we can see our featured product slider. If I mouse over one, I can see all the options I selected, and I can scroll through with the navigation arrows. If you have an e-commerce website, take a look at this element as it will help you quickly and easily display your featured products in an eye-catching way. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos, and if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.